Hi, welcome back to Eddie's Kitchen. Today, I want to share my ultimate blueberry pie recipe using frozen blueberries. Prepare about 5 cups of frozen blueberries. Compared to fresh blueberries, you can usually get frozen blueberries a lot cheaper, and the flavor and texture of the pie will be just as good as using fresh blueberries. In this step, preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Put the frozen blueberries in a pot along with the sugar, cornstarch, oven and bake it for about 30 minutes at 425 degrees. Depending on your oven, the baking time can vary. After 30 minutes, you will get this delicious and pretty looking blueberry pie. If you have somebody to show your love or appreciation, this sweet pie can be a perfect treat for them. So please try someday and share your opinion with us. Eddie's Kitchen's tip Number 1. When you roll out the pie crust, if you put some parchment paper or wax paper on top, it will make the pie crust surface nice and smooth. The paper can be also used as a cutting board when you need to cut the pie crust into strips as we did in this video. Number 2. A pizza cutter is a great tool to cut the pie crust into strips. If you liked my blueberry pie recipe and want to have more Aeri's kitchen tip in future videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye!